Hello everyone, we are the Blue Team. We have selected Target Process as our Agile project management tool. Target Process is a free tool for managing projects using the Agile method. It is free for 5 users or less, and we will charge you $25 for every user after 5. Some of the features of the tool that we have explored are: we are able to add users to the project as members of the team, or we can even add individual users who are not part of the team. Here you can see all 3 members of the Blue Team, and you can also see the professor assigned to the project even though he is not a member of the team. Some of the other interesting features of this tool is that we can create our own views. Target Process offers us a bunch of templates that we can use and select as we need to create views for our own convenience. The default features that are provided by the tool are My Work, where you can find tasks that are assigned to a particular person, a Backlog, which shows the list of backlog items, Estimation, which shows time for a particular user story, Release Plan, which shows what user stories are going to be released in a particular release, Task Board, where all tasks are categorized under user stories. These tasks can be in open, planned, in progress, or done statuses. In our views, we have Story Mapping, which shows all stories under corresponding features. These can also be We have Work by Person, where we can see the state of tasks or user stories. They can be in planned, in progress, or done statuses. Feature Planning by Release shows the features in the backlog and our own plan for the releases.
Coming to our project through the tool, our product name is 601 Research Topic under a project automated evaluation system, which involves Blue Team and the professor as a project manager. We planned for this sprint the features and the user stories that to be worked on as user management subsystem as a feature with the user stories, user login and a password. The tasks that we perform under user stories are creating a admin login and evaluate login. Here is how our tasks work. This is our website, which is initially asks you to sign up if you are not a member, or log in if you are a member. Once you log in, at the bottom right, you can see a webmaster login, which is a admin login. This is for the admin, and only for the admin has the rights to modify the site. On the home page, there is a button to access the evaluation system. When this button is clicked, the page with the evaluation form gets opened. The other user story is a password, which has 3 tasks, which are user sign up, registration invitation through email, and forgot password. Once the user receives an invitation email, the user needs to sign up for the site so that he gets into the website. And if the user forgot his password, There is an option forgot password which allows him to reset the password. This is how the invitation email looks like. Using the link provided in the email, you can sign up to the site.
The other story that we concentrated on for this sprint is event for a project, under which we modified the task add evaluatee. In this task, we added the evaluatees using checkboxes along with the URL to their YouTube presentation. You can see that on the form. And during the evaluation, the evaluator is allowed to select only one of them to continue with the evaluation. Doing this, we made it easy for the evaluators to view the presentation before evaluating. And the other user story that we concentrated on is average. After the response is submitted, we calculated the average of that evaluation, an average of each individual criteria, and also the average of all the averages. This is how it works. Here we did the scripting such that once the response is submitted, we split the name of evaluatee from the URL and it is getting stored in a different column. And every evaluatee has a specific tab so that their scores get stored into the corresponding tabs and their averages are calculated and stored into these tabs. This is how it looks. The highlighted row is the row for averages, and the first column we can see is the average for each evaluation. In our next sprint, the feature that we are going to develop is processing event subsystem. With user story, evaluatee's result that has tasks like collection of comments, results should contain charts and graphs, pivot analysis, standard deviation, and standard deviation to indicate evaluatee position. The overall time we spent for this sprint is 42 hours, and you can see this in timesheet in detail. Coming to our burn down chart for this sprint, this is how it looks. The straight line is the estimated one and the blue line is the actual work. The dots on the blue line represents the task that we did on the corresponding days. And it shows that we have completed all our tasks in time. Thank you.